Hi everyone, welcome into Selenium Python tutorial. In previous tutorial, we created our first feature file and step definitions. Now let's see how we can use text in Behave to organize and control which scenarios we want to run. So let's begin. By using text, you can skip test cases and you can run the desired test cases. So let's begin. In previous tutorial, I have explained how you can write the first steps for the login, and this is the feature file. Now add more test cases in this feature file. Feature is login functionality. Let's add another test cases here. Negative test cases. First scenario. Scenario is invalid login, and given is user is on the login page. Even user is on the login page when we need to enter here capital, when user enters wrong username and password. After enter the username and password, user will click on the login button. Enter here, click on the login button. Given is user on the login page. Let's make sure we enter same here, because we do not need to define this steps in this step file. I will show you. Let's enter here, click on the login button. Now in the step file, you can view here we have already defined given user is on the login page. In the second scenario, we enter user is on the login page. So we do not need to define again in step file, because we have already defined here user is on the login page. Now second, when user enters wrong username and password, we need to define this one, because we have defined here user enters valid username and password and click on the login button. These steps when click on the login button. So just enter here, we need to define this one, when user enter valid username and password. Let's quickly add this one here. Enter here and make sure you enter same text in this step, otherwise you will get an error. Enter here, this is for user enter wrong username and password, send keys wrong username and enter password here wrong password. Let's add text in feature file. First define a here. First we will define tags at the rate login. This is login functionality. So define here login, and this is smoke. Suppose this is smoke test case. At the rate smoke, and this is regression test case. Regression and the negative, and this is negative test case. So here we define smoke test cases for valid username and password, and regression and negative test case for enter username wrong and password. Now we can run the test. As you can view here, we do not need to define here. Here in step file, we do not need to define click on the login button for enter username, wrong username and password. In Gherkin language, we can reuse the steps. You can use these steps into an other file as well. For now, you can view here, we just here enter users, enter wrong username and password. So let's run these test cases. Suppose you want to run only smoke test cases. For running these test cases, enter here behave dash dash tags is equal to smoke. Now only smoke test cases will be run because air tags is equal to smoke. Let's run the test. Open browser, enter username and password and validate these products. One feature passed, one scenario passed, 4 steps passed, 3 skipped. 3 skipped because we are only running smoke test cases. Now run the regression test cases. Just define here behave dash dash tags is equal to regression. Now only this test case will be executed. By defining tags, you can run a particular test cases by using tags. Regression. Now let's change here, enter here double quote and run the test. Scenario invalid login, wrong username and wrong password. Only this test case executed. Let's use here behave dash dash tags is equal to not smoke. Now smoke test case will not execute, only this test case execute because here we mentioned that text is equal to not smoke. It will check this text smoke and will execute the further test cases. Same as well, we can enter here not regression. Now only a smoke test case will be execute. So by using text, you can skip any test case and you can run a particular test cases. So this was all about using text in behave. They give us flexibility to include exclude scenarios whenever needed. In the next video, we will continue with more interesting concepts. Stay tuned with SQL World and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SQL World. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.